Hi, welcome to Techno Expert World. In this video, you can see again the canvas and the fireworks animation. In the previous case, we have used some CSS, and here without CSS, I have used a canvas inside the JavaScript code. So the canvas is really very important when we are not using any kinds of CSS. So that's why I have said in my previous tutorial, you have seen like I have used the CSS and the canvas actually called inside the CSS format. But in this case, we are not using the CSS because there is no exact position or exact frame in this code, but then also we can control the position using the canvas. So this canvas is directly called from the JavaScript. So what is the importance of canvas? So here I will show you the canvas. Why does it important? The canvas is basically a tools that has been created for the updated HTML5. It has lots of uses, but in order to use it you need to learn some JavaScript, HTML, and sometimes it's need to CSS also. So this makes the canvas element a bit daunting for many designers, and in fact most will probably ignore the element until there are reliable tools to create canvas animation and games without knowing JavaScript. So what HTML canvas is used for? So here you can see every kinds of mathematical operation is dependent on the location of particles and how many particles you will take. You can change the number of particles here. Here in this case I have used 1200 particles. For each alphabet I have used 300 particles, that it will give us the animation. Here you can see for the every alphabet like Happy New Year. So every alphabet contains 300 particles, and when it's glowing or blasting, you can see the position is changing. So this is called rendering for the particles. So in this function you can see the function init. Function init means when your canvas function is initialized, then the function called resize. Yes, the resize means when the particles will come with its larger format. When it's blasting, it comes its size will be bigger than the previous. So this type of things has been controlled by the resize. And here you can see the rendering. Yes, this is called the rendering. So it's just come from down to up. So these types of things happen inside the fireworks or particles animation. So this is the fireworks. Yes, this function control the mathematical operation. Here you can see the t I times 20 200 and I plus character length. Yes, the character length is where definitely we need to cover when we are using the animation. Length is important for how many particles and which position it will locate and where it when it will blast. So when the exact location of the particles need to mention. So for this particular handle system we used for loop inside a function. So this is the rocket function. When the rocket is come from down to up, this function is working for this that part of animation. And this is the explosion. Yes, when the explosion is happening, you can see the particles, it's moving here and there. It's randomly functionized. Yes, you can see it's randomly functionized, but here also some algorithm is used for the string. So I have set the string, and according to the string the particles is moving on this location like 0. So within the 0 shape the particles will moving. And when I consider the 2025, so 2025, every size of character is defining where the particles will move or not. So these types of things happening inside this animation. So thanks for watching this video today. This is That's it. So goodbye for now, and hope this video will be helpful for your learning.